Ninja Turtle. And ga. And by the way, guys, yeah, this is Elmo. He's a little doll. And check out this video. This is my favorite. And let's get straight to the video. Okay. Bye. Cringe.
執輸啦！最後今天聽日嚟都冇啊
Don't
you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. Her dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be gone before they get
Ito
here.
yung another first time na
Got a sale.
Come again.
Ito yung another first time na po ako na ito. It's like more harder kasi ito yung kompleto na you just do a lot of credits. Pero dala kailangan mo may location na yun eh.
Sisig ka, hiya.
Kailangan ikaw hindi ka mahit ng tao eh. Para hindi ka makustop. Lahat siya mag-boy ka speak. Tsaka dodge mo lahat ng tao eh. Para hindi ka mahit.
You need good soup.
Nagrami ko talaga. Press mo eh. Tara, press mo.
Is the new guy around? You know who this great guy is?
Press mo din daw silagay mo sa paso na yun. Sa dulo na yun na eh. Press mo din. Red. Dulo. Sa ano na yun? Don't red. Against the logo. Dala-dalawa lang sila.
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Pero mo ba ito yung punas?
Tisyo.
Let's go. 8. Clang. Ayan sila.
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語同講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！廢話，你啲廢話俾人聽啊！我做咁多嘢，我就做唔到啦。Hey, sexy man, you want
Hirap yung line na yan eh.
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for me. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner. Hey, come on in. I got some extra.
Ako nandito ako ng bawal.
Ang hirap yun ng guy.
You make it up for me tonight.
Ang hirap yung laban dun.
我真係要咁做。
Hey, got a message for you.
Sige, mabulin. Saan?
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Jump ka!
Gabi ko na lang. Huwag mo yung edada.
Oh, shit!
Tawagin yung sorry yung bad word. Oh shit. Tara.
Yes.
我爛口唔代表冇文化，你老味！
Pwede lang siya ng kids camping. Oh, this is my turn.
Hirap yun, mahirap yun.
B! B! Ano, no? Tapos meron na RB, kaya meron ako nakita sa Peralta na pwede natin lagay yung kalaban. B! 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 Madalam, kaya meron ako nakita isa na test na palagay yung bahay. B lang! B lang!
Good.
Tapos si B man ganyan. B man ganyan, kaya meron ako ulo sa cards ka.
Saan?
Ah!
Ah!
Na-unlock natin. Uy, yun na-unlock natin. Eh,
It's one of Winston's guys! Pick him out!
kick na natin ako. Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Another big kay meron pa kalami please talaga yung kalaman. Teka, nalusi ka nalalusi ka palagi dyan?
Please, make sure dog eyes doesn't kill me.
Tayan! Ay, tawak! Ayun! Ronday! Hey, hey! Watch it!
Hey, arrested ikaw! He's arrested again.
I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad. And not only is it against
For God's
protocols...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Then kanya nag-work sa 2 guys?
Yeah.
Or maybe 4, or maybe 5 guys kasi nag-work siya sa police officer na 2 at saka 3 guys. So that makes...
Also, Winston.
Oh, so that makes 5. Diba? So yung guy na yan nag-work siya sa 5 people. Can I do my leg like
Asian ones, don't compare to the Triads. Like this cocky little fucker. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Saan siya makatulog? Tubig. Pero dapat tubig ba?
Drawing mo.
Ano, bus na. Tubig na. Bus na.
Okay.
Locket na sila. Okay, where's her shoes? Okay, I'm done. Tapos ito na santo.
What do you think of fried seahorse?
What's it?
Halay ko siya nagalit.
You have a kind here?
mission mo, yung green. Sige, straight to. Left. Right. Left. Oh, dito na yung kalawan. Yan. Baba. Get down. Yung sa loob.
But kailangan tayo mag-park na better na lang. Kailangan mag-park tayo na better. Ito tayo mag-park. Para hindi malagay sa
Sa loob. Go inside. Ayun o, yung yellow, hanapin mo yung green na yun. Yun. Mahirap yung mission yan eh.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took the shit
Kailangan
out of
hindi
your
makaskip
face.
yung kalawan dyan.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time is right.
cake mo lang.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a free stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Okay lang. I think I
Oh,
can
yeah?
do this kaya.
What do you think it's you made?
You're not worried that she doesn't
Lalo
want
ko
to talk
ako
to
yung
you?
motorcycle
Hell
before. I
no.
can do
Kaya,
it.
kaya ito yung mission ito eh.
Never
Kaya
asked
ako
me
naka-proper ako na lang ride.
You ever
Siguro
think
ko
about it?
malakas na rin.
A relationship. What a relationship.
Oh
But
shit!
I know how to do this.
Sure, I could. Look at me.
So now, kailangan hindi makaskip yung kalaban dito. Kaya
They should only
mabilis yan.
get few guards.
Pushing mo lang to.
Kaya just be careful ikaw na hindi ka makabangga. Dahil kailangan mo din bilisan.
Ito na.
Guns and run.
Kailangan.
What the hell?
Lagay na ito mo eh. Ay, mama, ito.
Come and get me!
Malapit na mamamatay. Yellow. Ayun na. Hit ka na.
Okay, red.